Well, good greetings and beautiful and abundant benevolent blessings to you wonderful souls out there. Kiara Ducasse here today with the Crypto Bless Show. Give it a thumbs up on this video. You can see here today I'm using this little gizmo. Boom, I got me one of these, so let me know if the sound is a little bit more clear. I'm just going to do this because I'm doing my videos in a little bit of a different way. I'm waiting for my new laptop. I got myself a decent laptop, but I obviously just have to be patient and wait for it. So I tried this yesterday, but I actually attached it to my shirt, and maybe there was a bit of, while I was moving, there was ruffling and scuffling, which maybe annoyed the mic, of course. So I had to scrap that video, and I couldn't do it for you guys, but I'm back in action again. Let me know if the sound quality is good on this one, please. I would really appreciate that. It's Friday. Everything is good. I'm good. I've had a powerful week, and I hope you have too. I've made lots and lots of profits, and I hope you have too. If you would like me to share some trading signals with you guys going forward, I will be opening up a Telegram community group at some point where I'll obviously speak to you guys and let you know. I'll be eventually getting to a Discord channel too, so that we can communicate and speak in a secure manner. And of course, yeah, just building the community, guys, building this crypto community. So if you did not see my video that I did yesterday with SLP, please go over and have a look at that video. This video was awesome. SLP can do really very, very, very well for you. So go and watch that. It's a very short 10 minutes. Enjoy that. What I'm going to show you today is based on what I did here that shows us 4 bullish signals for Bitcoin, even though today we have come down a little bit, and that's okay. So speaking of down, if you guys are traders and you're wanting to make some money or haven't yet made money and want to make some money, then get yourself the link down below right there, right now. My Bybit link will get you guys a $30,000 bonus, and that will be super awesome for you guys to go and trade with and make some good cash during these times. And of course, on Bybit, you can trade 24/7, 365. There's always something to trade, so there's always something to make some money from. Okay, guys, and especially when the markets are as volatile as they are. They've pumped up this week, and today they dropped down, but I'm going to show you why they've dropped down as well. And we will go and just have a look at that. So if you haven't yet clicked the link, go and do so down there right now below. And of course, please, if you are part of this community and you enjoy the videos and the content, please let me know down below. This feedback is so important for me, and it's important for you, because then I know more of what you like and what you guys also want to see, and how I can develop and grow the channel based on having that as part of the strategy of the channel. Yeah, you know, without you guys, then there isn't really a channel. So I know there were some sound issues here with the Arweave coin as well this video. So just, yeah, go and have a look at it. Really skip towards the end and you'll see the Excel spreadsheet plus the link down below. The link in all of these altcoins that I do is a Google Drive link, and that then I put in the description of the video, which will help you guys go and understand more about how to make money off of these coins. And you know, when it hits specific market caps, look at those market caps. It's very easy to look at a market cap on CoinGecko. Once you've searched for the coin and it's reached that market cap, take some profits, get out, guys. You don't need to sit and hold these things forever, because these things pump up thousands of percent and they drop down 99%. So but dropping down 99% doesn't mean that the project has now become obsolete. So that's one thing we have to just recognize in the market. So let's get straight to the content here right now. I want to start off with the CoinGecko. Okay, so as you can see here in the CoinGecko market cap, we are down 4.8% for the day, and that is due to all of the FUD that the American government and the SEC are creating right now around crypto and what's busy happening with the crypto space. So very, very interesting to see that the trading volume is still 100 billion, guys. That's amazing. BTC market cap dominance has fallen down a little bit, and the amount of coins is very little. So we had $1.059 trillion. Bitcoin is sitting down 4.1%. So it's erased last week's gains. So it's pretty much still sitting sideways. Okay, we're down at 21,764, Ethereum at 1539, BNB at 306, XRP at 38 cents, Cardano at 36 cents, Polygon at $1.27, Dogecoin at 8.2 cents, and OKB at $39, Lido at 1534, Solana at 20.68. So you see, Solana is already fallen 15% for the week. I did tell you guys I exited 90% on my position at the $24 mark, and I will wait until it retraces to about the 15 level, and then I will use that to buy back in. Love it. That's called dollar cost averaging, but that's called buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Remember that. You don't want to buy high, sell low. You want to buy low, sell high. So Polkadot at 623, Litecoin at 91.86, Avalanche at 17.97. That's amazing. I'm going to scoop me some more Avalanche too when it gets to about the 13 level. And what else? Chainlink 695. So amazing stuff happening here, guys. The fear and greed index for the day is currently sitting at 48. So we're back in neutral territory. Where we are not in greed and nor in fear. So that's very, very beautiful and very, very interesting. Let's see what happens in the space here today, because what I'm about to show you is going to perhaps give you a little bit of a scare in terms of where we're at right now. And obviously this for the short term. We know for the long term we're going straight to the moon. Look at this. And now that I see these two right next to each other and literally down 20% and 30%, and look at this, fetch AI on a day where the market is blood red. Okay, these two are fetch is pumping, Ali is pumping. Those are AI cryptos. I don't own any of them, but yeah, I mean they've been very, very way overbought at the moment, but I'm sure they're still very much undersold. Even DYDX, that's amazing, guys. You know, look at this. Illuvium down 30% in the past 24 hours. Gala down 20%. DYDX. This is where you should be buying and accumulating. I always tell you guys, when these bubbles are on the red, that's when you should, when your favorite crypto, say your favorite crypto was Gala, when this bubble is in the red, that's when you should be buying. When it goes in the green, that's when you should sell some. Buy some low, sell some high. Okay. Just remember that for future trading strategies. Now, yesterday we had initial jobless claims. The forecast was 183. It came in at 196. 183 was this previous, came in at 196 and it's at 190. So that made the dollar pump a little bit yesterday. And basically now we've got the Fed, Christopher Waller speaking. We've got the federal budget balance, which is going to move the market as well. And then we've got another Fed speaker speaking a little bit later. So today is a day full of Fed discussions and talks. I don't want to know much about it other than the highlights around it, because the highlights are the most important parts. Let's go and have a look at the Bitcoin price and the Bitcoin chart and what's Bitcoin actually doing. Okay, you can see here on the 1 hour indicator, on the 1 hour time frame, since we hit this level here, we have literally just been coming down. This is the moment where we crossed. And as you can see, we had a downward momentum trend here. There was a bit of a fake out and then a push down even further. This candle here was a signal to say that we should be selling some of our Bitcoin and altcoins in the moment, and perhaps dollar cost averaging at a lower prices. Now, if I have to come here and I have to go on the 4 hour, this looks like it fell out the tree. Okay, we've got the crossover on the 4 hour as well. But look at where we're at, guys. Look at that support level. We're at the top of this level here, and we could be looking for some support. For me, our next level down could be here at the 20,900 level. I don't know if it will come down there. It's probably will, considering this is already crossed. And on the day time frame that we are obviously a lot more bearish at the moment. And you can see the bottom of the ribbon is at that level 2, which brings us to this support, this level of support, these two levels of support over here, and continuing further and further all the way through here. So it's a strong level of support. If I had to draw a line down here, that would be our target that we need to actually get out of and break out of. On the daily time frame, we were warned by the candles. The candles speak our language. They tell us everything we need to know. Okay. This candle here was very indicative of a trend reversal at this point, because we had already hit resistance. So there was a lot of sell pressure at that candle. So that's that for Bitcoin. Just remember though, Bitcoin's very much bullish still on the higher time frames, but yeah, we needed an immediate retracement. Look at the moving averages, 20, 50, 100 and 200. They're spreading and opening, but we're starting to trade sideways again here yet again. And sometimes it's good to trade sideways in these markets, so that Bitcoin, trading sideways for Bitcoin is basically a reset in the market. Look at this, the Gaussian channel. Couldn't get above the middle line. There's another indication. Boom, lower. Then here, what I wanted to show you on this chart here is, this is quite a nice little indicator, guys. The golden cross. So it isn't wrong. So as an example here, it said there was a golden death cross. So down, a golden cross, buy, a death cross, sell, a golden cross, buy, a death cross, sell. Look at how powerful that is, even on the lower time frames, that you can use this indicator to actually help you trade on the interim daily time frames. And look at this, on the 4-hour time frame, there was our cross. Okay, the death cross essentially on this on the 4-hour time frame. So look at it, it's very accurate, guys. It's telling us that we need to be vigilant as to moments. So if we had sold at that point, that would have been great. But guess what? We had the cross over here, okay, which was absolutely beautiful. Now, this golden cross is based on the model. I edited it slightly to a 13 close, which is the yellow line, the red line, and then the golden cross is the 49. So that's telling us that, you know, we've got good amount of space. But look, we're still hanging here on the edge of a cliff. And if we come here to the dollar, ooh, this was different just a few moments ago. We broke up here on the dollar. We found support on the 200 moving average on the 1-hour time frame. We try to break out of this here. This could end up being a fake out. If this candle, 1-hour candle, which has got 8 minutes left, pulls back up above this descending line here, then I'm going to say it was retesting support. But look at the candle indication here. It's telling us that there is a potential for a possible return back down. So that's the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame, unfortunately, does look a little bit more bullish, and it looks like we're attempting a breakout on there, but it isn't all that and a bag of potato chips. Now, I wanted to show you something on HBAR, because HBAR yesterday has I drew this channel. It seems as though we're going up. This is a converging wedge pattern, so it's broader at the mouth, and then here it's more narrow. So essentially you can see that we're trading in this range. The moving averages are pulling up, the RSIs are pulling up. We're trying to get out here. If we can break out of this level, okay, on Hedera, and let me just draw this quick line for you guys so that you can actually see right there. Boom. If we can break out of that level, okay, and close a candle above and rest on support here, guys, I'm going to tell you that Hedera has, look at this crazy run that Hedera might have, because we're above the 200. Look at this trajectory and look at what it's doing right now. You see how important that yellow line is that we have to break. I believe that if we break that yellow line, that we are probably going to find that these candles can come up to about 10 cents, maybe about, I mean, maximum up here, which would be about 20 cents, but that's quite a difference. I mean, that's double. But the one that I showed you yesterday that I unfortunately didn't obviously get to share the video with you guys was this realm. So I entered a position. I mean, I've had some realm for some time now, and I bought at the lows, but I bought some more yesterday at around this level here when it broke. So you see how it broke out of the level here at this candle. This candle was a confirmation of breakout. It pushed up. It created a high, which at this point was rejected. It came back to retest this upward trending slope, which wasn't there at that time. I only drew this in because I I saw that we were giving ourselves a wedge pattern here, a broadening, ascending wedge pattern. So look at what happened here. Boom, we pushed up. We've been testing this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times before we were completely rejected from it. And look how we're closing these candles. We're testing. But for me, this looks as though it wants to go and make a further rally. I have not yet taken profits on this. My take profit region is in about the 60 region, which if you come over to the 4-hour time frame and you have a look at where that is, you'll actually see, maybe let's put on the day time frame so that we don't have to, yeah, there you go. So look at what it's done already, okay? That's amazing. It's showing us good signs of where we're at. So it's hit resistance at this point here, okay? It's broken out of all of this trend that's been keeping us down. There's a reason why it hit resistance, because there's resistance over here. We back tested here, couldn't get out, back tested here, couldn't get out. So maybe we pull back a little bit, back down maybe to the 200. At that point, I would probably end up buying some more, because I do believe that I would have. So basically, I'm going to take 50% of my take profit here at the 60 level, and then my next level up was the 10 cent level. So that's up here, and you can see why. Okay, so I've put 25% up there, and then I'll hold on to 25% for the long term. So if you guys enjoyed this video and this content on this Friday afternoon, I hope that you are thoroughly enjoying the trading. And if you are a trader and you haven't yet signed up for any trading links, please click my link down below. You're going to have a lot of fun in this content in this video. So thank you for being here with me, my special Crypto Bliss community. Please share this content. Please share my channel. And if you're watching and you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscription bell right there, right now. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching the video. I appreciate you. Much love, much benevolent blessings, and we'll see you on the next one. Love you lots. Take care.